So, Blue Tribe Foods was started to make our world a better place. We all know that food as we eat today is harming the environment, especially meat. And it's like, technology which gets better. 100 years back, we used to travel in a bullock cart and that used to take you from A to B. But now you have cars. Similarly, technology has evolved and you don't have to farm animals the same way you used to do it before. There's plant-based meat, there is lab-grown meat. And we want to play a part to get better food which doesn't impact the environment, and we want to play a global role eventually. We start from India, but we want to expand globally and give you better alternatives.
Currently, the attention spans of people, especially our target audience, which is millennials and Gen Z, is on the decline. We had to put plant-based meat as a concept is a very, very easy concept to understand, but we wanted to communicate it in the most effective and most impactful manner, which is why we're choosing like a 10-second format where we can get our point across, but not take too much away from the World Cup where people are really wanting to watch the matches.
Apart from the pharma business which I'm doing, I always used to invest in startups, and I invested in food startups as well. But this is the thing, I thought this is so big that just being an investor was not satisfying. And it is that thing, where you tell yourself, if you don't do it, then who will do it? I just thought I just have to do it. I don't want to regret this when I'm old, that I did not do enough for the world, for the country and for myself. And this is a great overlap of what's good for the world and what's good for the business. This overlap happens very rarely. I just had to do this, and we have started. We don't know where the journey takes us, but the journey is more beautiful than a destination.
Plant-based meat as a product and as a concept is aimed at non-vegetarians who really love the taste of meat, but also know that the impact of eating meat on the planet is not very great. Especially people towards the younger generation, millennials and Gen Z, are more attuned towards understanding what their impact is on the planet and what they can do to actually, steps they can take to mitigate that impact. Obviously, plant-based meat is a very, very big step in reducing one's impact on the environment and on the planet, because you're taking out meat which contributes in a very, very big way to greenhouse gas emissions, excessive land use, excessive water use. And also, a lot of the pandemics or the epidemics that have happened in the last century have actually come from industrial grade animal farming.
The first USP is, I think this is a more intelligent way to eat, because you get the same taste, same better nutrition without harming the environment or the animal. That's the biggest USP. Second USP in health benefits, we don't have cholesterol because we are from plants. So I think if you combine that, and as we keep getting bigger and technology also gets better, the nutrition profile will only increase, the price will go down. I think we'll have only pluses and no minuses. And I envision a world where people will refuse to eat meat from the animal 10 years down the line, because you'll get the same thing from the plant.
Plant-based meat is essentially made by taking plant-based sources like soybean or peas, extracting the protein out of them, and then texturizing it to make it feel like the meat that you want to replicate, like a chicken or a pork or a mutton, right? It's a chemical-free process because it's mechanically extracted out, and technology has now progressed to the point where we can almost exactly replicate what a chicken sausage or a chicken nugget or even a chicken mince would taste like. I was a meat eater. I used to love eating non-vegetarian food, but I'm also a big believer in animal welfare. I'm a huge animal lover myself. Somewhere down the line, I couldn't get over the dichotomy of being an animal lover as well as being a hardcore meat eater. This is a really great amalgamation of, you're getting to eat what you love, the taste that you like, without having the same impact on the environment. As a concept, when me and Sandeep discussed it, I think that's where I decided that yes, this is the way to go. This is a very smart way to eat the things that you love without having the same impact on the environment. And that's why I joined here.